Yeah. So I am on the desktop right now. You all can see my desktop. I'm clicking on Google. I have already Scilab downloaded in my system. Let us see. So I'm just saying Scilab. Yeah, so this is the site which will guide you regarding the downloading. See www.scilab.org. This is an organization, so the extension is .org. So when you say Scilab, download Scilab 6.1.0. Now when I click on this, see, there are different versions available here. You can go for any version, as we are not doing very much advanced. So you can download actually any version. Now these are the options. Pratiksha, are you there? Pratiksha Ovar, are you there?
Ma'am.
Huh. So can you see Windows 64 bits and Windows 32 bits? Do you know the difference between the two?
Yes,
आपका मशीन 32 बिट्स का है या 64 बिट्स का, ये आपको देखना है एंड अकॉर्डिंगली डाउनलोड द वर्जन. लैपटॉप अगर आपका है तो वो 64 बिट्स का होता है. ओके, सो विंडोज सिस्टम है आपकी. होपफुली आप सबकी विंडोज की सिस्टम है. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कौन सी है, या लिनक्स है?
Windows.
विंडोज. तो विंडोज पे बहुत आसान है. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस. ओके, now see, it is asking you for these things. Scilab is open source software published by this, which offers a large range of services, etc. Then what is it saying? Leave us your contact information to help us know better about you. Your email will be kept confidential. See, if you want this to be see, this is getting already downloaded here, so you do not require to write this all things. This is fields marked with star are mandatory. Okay, by sharing your contact information using this optional form you will receive occasional. So आपको अगर साइलैब से नोटिफिकेशंस चाहिए तो ही आप ये भरो, अदरवाइज ये भरने की जरूरत नहीं है. एट द डू यू सी दिस साइलैब exe file is getting downloaded here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can download it very easily and download it on the desktop. Just a minute, girls. Just give me 1 minute. Huh? Yes. So this file will get downloaded. Now this takes little bit time. Okay, Scilab will take little bit time. It is showing the time, but the actual time what it is showing 27 minutes and all that, it doesn't take that much time. If your internet speed is high, you will receive it immediately. Okay, so I think this information is not required that much. If you want notifications, you can because it is already saying thanks for downloading the Scilab. You understand that now? How to download Scilab? What do you mean by an open source software, girls? What do you mean by
Something that
open
can
source?
What do you mean by open source? Something that's public so everyone can make changes and update in it.
Yes. You
Yes.
can, if you feel that something is going wrong, then you can always go back to the page and you can make the changes. That is the meaning of open source, and it is free also. Okay, free software. So this is how one can download Scilab. So, okay, I will say exit because I have already downloaded. I have this 6.0.2. Can you see 64 bit लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे? Okay, so your laptop is 64 bit. So you can download that version. If you are using desktop, please check whether it is 32 bit machine or 64 bit machine. And now I am opening Scilab. Yes, so what is this called? This white screen?
Console.
Console. That's console. What happens on the console? Tell me.
We write
Ma'am, we
command.
can give commands.
We can give the commands and the commands get executed on the console itself, right? You get the output, you give input and you get the output also. You give input in terms of commands and you get the output. This is execution screen, right? Execution screen. So pehli command bolo chalo. Let us see how much you remember from Scilab. Yes, girls. We can start from where? Tell me.
From accepting the matrix.
Directly? Should I go to the matrix directly?
Yes.
I think
Ma'am,
we should start
assign
with
value to variable.
simple algebraic functions we can choose, like summation, addition, subtraction, right? So when I write a equal to 2, so what happens? The variable a will store the value 2, right? The variable a will be identified as 2 now in further operations. Okay? If I put a comma after this, do you remember anything? Not comma, semicolon. If I put semicolon after this, what happens?
It will not display on the screen.
Yes, it will not display
Error.
a equal. No, it's not an error. It's not an error. It is storing a value as 2, but it will not show you that again. In the previous command, you can see a is equal to 2 diya maine. That was without any separator, without any comma, semicolon. So a equal to 2, the output was displayed to you. So if you want to display the output, you should not put semicolon. If you don't want to put the output, if you don't want to show the output at a particular stage, it will happen that you don't want to show the output, then you put a semicolon. Okay, is that okay, girls?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now next I am choosing another variable, say b is equal to 7. Now I can do the way you write on the paper. Scilab works exactly in the same manner. Okay, if I say c is equal to a plus b, this is how you write on the paper. Okay, so it will make 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Now if you want to repeat any particular command, which key you use? If I want to repeat any command, see girls, when practical is going on, you should take a notebook and pen and write down what I am saying. Okay, राइट द कमांड्स. मैं जो बोल रही हूँ वो आप शॉर्ट नोट में आपके लैंग्वेज में लिखो वहां पे, तो ताकि आपको पता चलेगा कि आज के प्रैक्टिकल में मैडम ने क्या क्या सिखाया. ओके, सो वी आर डूइंग ऑल इंट्रोडक्टरी कमांड्स. Yes, if I want to repeat any command, which key I should use?
Up arrow key.
Up arrow key. If I press the up arrow key once, the immediate previous command will be displayed. If I use it twice, the 2 steps it will jump. Thrice, so those many times you can use the up arrow key. Okay, if you want to repeat any particular command. Now this is mainly used in scientific research. So the people who are doing PhD research, then they must be having a long, a long sequence of commands. So for them it is very difficult to go back actually and check the command. So it's very easy. When you press up arrow key, you can get the previous command and you can stop wherever you want. Now I am doing A minus B. So all the keys which are available on the keypad, they work fantastically in Scilab. Okay, so I am using all the keys from keyboard only. A minus B, D is equal to A minus B. So this will do 2 minus 7. That is equal to minus 5. Then if I don't give any variable name on the LHS, then let us see what happens. Suppose I will just say A star B and I am not writing anything on the LHS. So 2 into 7, it has done 14. And which variable it has taken? Ans. ANS ans. This is a temporary variable, which is inbuilt temporary variable, you can say. And whenever you don't give any left hand side, it will take the ans as the variable. Now if I change, if I say A divided by B, then it will be 2 by 7, right? 2 by 7 is having repeated decimal pattern. After 4, 3, if you see again, you will get the same digits. Okay, 2 by 7. Now, if I make use of the variable ans somewhere in my calculations, okay, suppose I will do ans star 7 now. Ans was 2 by 7. Ans variable was 2 by 7. Now into 7 means आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? 2. तो यहाँ पे 2 आंस नाम के वेरिएबल्स थे. एक था 14 और एक था 0.2857. तो उसने कौन सा आंस वेरिएबल यूज किया?
The recently used.
The recently used, correct. So इसीलिए हमने हमेशा क्या करना चाहिए? We should always define our required output as a variable. Okay, हमेशा वेरिएबल दिया करो इसे, ताकि आपको पता चले कौन सा आपका आंसर है, कहाँ पे स्टोर किया है. अदरवाइज ये आंस के चक्कर में आप गलत आंसर्स आपके आएंगे. ओके, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम इट विल इरेज द ओल्ड वन and it will accept the new ans variable. Okay, so these are few algebraic operations we can do. We can do addition, subtraction, we can do multiplication, we can do division. And what is the accuracy of Scilab? Here you can see of my machine how many significant digits it is showing. यहाँ पे देखो, जहाँ पे मेरा कर्सर है 0.2857143, जहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ 7 is the accuracy. Okay, 7 is the accuracy. So this is a nice accuracy. So usually the machines have an accuracy of 7 digits. Okay, किसी ने शकुंतला देवी फिल्म देखी क्या?
नहीं
हाँ,
मैम, यस देखा है मैम.
नहीं देखी? शकुंतला देवी you must watch. You must watch.
आपने देखी क्या मैम?
हाँ,
हो मैम बघितली.
देखी?
मैंने देखी है, मैंने आधी देखी है, अभी तक पूरी नहीं की. एकदम हाफ में आ गई हूँ, मिडिल में. फिर टाइम नहीं मिला इसलिए मैंने स्टॉप कर दिया. बट इट्स एन अमेजिंग मूवी. हाउ अमेजिंग लेडी दैट वाज शकुंतला देवी. She used to calculate so many big numbers, it used to have, actually these significant digits reminded me her story. She used to do quite big calculations, long calculations. Okay, क्यूब रूट्स, बहुत बड़े बड़े नंबर्स के क्यूब रूट्स वो कंप्यूटर से पहले बताया करती थी. इफ कंप्यूटर कैन टेल इट इन द 50 सेकेंड्स. हाँ, ट्रू स्टोरी है, ट्रू स्टोरी. शकुंतला देवी was a mathematician and she was really a miracle, you can say, because the way the time she used to spend on the calculations in the yesterday's part, jahan tak maine dekha, she wanted her daughter to be like that, but her daughter hated mathematics, unfortunately. And if you want to make square of 409, suppose, how will you make square of 409 number? तो एक सिंपल ट्रिक उसने बताई थी, दैट यू मेक स्क्वायर ऑफ 4, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट इट 16, देन यू मेक स्क्वायर ऑफ 9, दैट इज 81, देन you multiply first and third digit, 4 into 9 and multiply it by 2. So 4 into 9, 36 into 2 is 72. So place that 72 in between 16 and 81. So 409, see 409 star 409 कितना आना चाहिए अभी? 409 into 409, तो 4 का स्क्वायर होगा 16, फिर दोनों के मल्टीप्लिकेशन का ट्वाइस होगा 72. 16, 72, 81, ये आंसर है. देखो मैंने अभी बताया आपको बिना कैलकुलेट किए. अभी देखो आ रहा है क्या, आया क्या? 16, 72, 81. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
So she had such an amazing talent of doing calculations very fast. Very means within 20 or 25 seconds she used to tell, suppose ये नंबर है अभी 512, मुझे भी अभी ये नंबर याद नहीं है, 512, 512, 512. Okay, so see your computer, this my laptop is not able to show those many digits. Okay, so she used to tell cube root of this number 512 का जो क्यूब होगा, जो कुछ होगा, इसका क्यूब रूट वो बता सकती थी विद इन सेकेंड्स. नंबर यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट डांसिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर आईज. तो ये फिल्म जरूर देखो आप, यू विल रियली एंजॉय द मूवी. ओके, या एंड शकुंतला देवी का एक बुक भी है पजल्स का, बाय द वे, इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड. या सो सी, this is a fantastic concept, significant digits, right? We have done it in the first chapter. So now you can correlate the things which I want to tell you, that my machine's accuracy is 7 digits only. So 512 into 512 must be a larger than 7 digits number. Okay, bigger than that. It must be having many digits. Okay, 9 to 10 digits maybe, I don't know. So that is what maths is. Yeah, so Scilab helps us a lot in scientific calculations. Now if I want, suppose I want to type your roll numbers. Okay, your roll numbers are 4-digit numbers and I want to type it for some purpose. So 5401, suppose. Okay, your numbers start from, so I will say R is equal to 5401 and I want to specify some 25 girls, suppose, consecutively. So then 5425. Okay, so I am giving the starting number 5401 colon, I am giving the last digit 5425. So what it should do, it should display all the numbers from 5401 to 5425. So see, so very easily the numbers are printed. Then you can print their marks also. So here now the concept of matrix comes. Okay, so what is possible in Scilab? The biggest possibility or the biggest feasibility of Scilab is to show the data or accept the data in terms of a vector. Vector means columns of the matrix, row of the matrix or columns of the matrix. Okay, So that's why it is a very, very helpful software when it comes to deal with matrices. Otherwise, believe me, in C programming, do you remember you had done certain matrices programs in computer science practicals? Do you remember?
Ma'am.
So you must have had the problems. You had to define so many for loops because matrix is a two-dimensional thing. So you need to have two for loops, two-dimensional array. And then you have to, if you want to multiply matrices, you need to do so many things in the beginning. All those efforts are saved here really because this is not a language, this is a software. Of course, it is written in C, but it's a software, so it's a ready-made tool available. You just need to use the commands very correctly. Okay, so Scilab accepts the data in terms of a matrix, and therefore it's very easy to apply all the matrix commands that we will see one by one. Have you understood this part so far? Now here here I started with the first point 5401, ended with the in between. I have not written anything, but suppose for some purpose you need even numbers or you need odd numbers only. So what you will do? So suppose I will take W is equal to 1 colon 2 colon 30. So let us see what it shows me. Yeah. So it is starting from 1, and what it is doing? It is showing me all odd numbers, all odd digits, right? Yes, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to 30. 30 se pehle 29 is an odd number. So it is showing me up to 29. Okay. If I want all even numbers. So in between, if you specify whatever increment, it will accept the increment. Suppose यहाँ पे मैंने 2 के जगह पे 3 लिया suppose. If I change the command 1 colon 3 colon 30. So it will display all the numbers with a difference of constant difference of 3. Okay. Now you can multiply all these numbers by, if I go back to the odd numbers, okay, if I want to multiply all these odd numbers by some particular number, or if I want to square them, so what should I write? If I want to make square of all these numbers, what should I write? Yes. Try to recall, girls. Girls, are you there?
W raised to 2.
Yeah, W raised to 2 के लिए हमारे पास Scilab में cap ये है. Cap is shift दबा के 6 नंबर दबाना है आपको. So W cap 2 if I do. Now see, in the old versions, in our labs, in our computers, we had some old versions. So there it shows certain warning that this is absolute, or it will show you that use dot and all. So dot क्यों करता है? ये component wise के लिए, but all those errors are removed in this version. I have used the latest available 6.0.2. Okay, so it doesn't give any error. It automatically understands that yes, I have to do component wise squaring. So it is showing you very nicely all the squares. Is that okay? So similarly, you can multiply this by any number. Say, if I use W star 3. Now, my W is still W star 3. Suppose I do. Then it should multiply every number by 3. So it should become 3, 9, 15 and so on. See, 3, 9, 15, 21 and so on. Okay. So all this algebra you can do very easily. Actually, how you write on the paper, the way you can Do it in Scilab for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now can we move to matrices?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how to accept a matrix in Scilab. You have to tell me now. Anyone can unmute and tell me.
Nanny,
Prasiddhi Nair is waiting in the lobby. Wait, girls. Without stopping sharing, did you explore girls without stopping sharing? Can I admit her? Let me just-
yes, ma'am.
कैसे बताओ? अनलॉक मीटिंग करूं क्या? अनलॉक मीटिंग किया तो हो
Yes,
जाएगा.
ma'am.
हाँ, देखो आ गई क्या प्रसिद्धि? प्रसिद्धि, आर यू देयर? प्रसिद्धि,
Yes, ma'am.
why
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
so late, Prasiddhi?
No, ma'am. I was there in lecture, but due to some network issue, I don't know how, but meeting ended. I was there in lecture before.
Okay. Yeah, so we are doing Scilab. I don't know since when you were not there. Yeah, somebody was telling me about matrix. How to accept the matrix? Tell me.
Ma'am, which one? 2 by 2 or 3 by 3?
Anyone you want.
First, we'll accept the variable in
Okay.
which we need to store,
Okay.
and then in the square brackets,
Okay.
then the first number space the second number and semicolon the third number space the fourth number and bracket close.
Okay. You want to accept a 2 cross 2 matrix, right?
Yeah.
So to accept the matrix, let me first finish my writing. Yeah. So all of you can see, girls, to accept the matrix, you have to first use any variable name. It is always better, whatever way, whatever way you are accepting the data, please use variables for that. So A is equal to, and when it comes to accepting matrix, always remember you have to use square bracket. In many programs, you have to use some matrices. So you have to remember this command very frequently. Square bracket, element, either you can use a space or you can use comma. अगर आप शुरू में कॉमा यूज करते हो तो पूरे मैट्रिक्स भर आप कॉमा ही यूज करो, अदरवाइज यूज स्पेस. सो 1 space 2, then you want to go to the next row. That means for separating the rows we use a semicolon. Then again 3 space 4. If you want to display this, don't put any semicolon after the matrix command. Okay, so see how nicely it is showing me A as a matrix. The same thing becomes not difficult, I will say, but it becomes a longer one in case of C programming, right? C में आपको क्या क्या करना पड़ता है? You have to define a 2D array, you have to give for loop, you have to accept m and n, how many rows, how many columns, and then you will accept. When you will execute the program, you will accept the numbers कि पहले रो कितनी है, कॉलम्स कितने है, फिर ये एंटर करो, पहला एलिमेंट एंटर करो, दूसरा करो, ऐसे आप सारे एलिमेंट्स एंटर करोगे, एंड देन इट विल शो यू द एंटर्ड एलिमेंट्स एज अ मैट्रिक्स, एज एन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स in an array. Okay, so here the things become very easy. You just use the command correctly and get the answer of matrix. Okay, now which things we can do with a matrix? Let us do those things. Yeah, Poonam, you are telling ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, पूनम आगे बोलो. अभी मैट्रिक्स के साथ हम क्या क्या करते हैं?
Ma'am,
Anyone can
like
answer. हाँ.
addition, subtraction,
Multiplication, division, night division, sorry. Multiplication, addition, subtraction.
You can add 2 matrices, you can subtract 2 matrices, but for addition and subtraction,
we need to accept one more matrix.
one more matrix of the same order,
Size.
same size. Okay, so 4 7 comma -6 -9, ये ऐसा एक मैट्रिक्स में ले रही हूँ. यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स डोंट लाइक माइनस साइन, है ना? So I have 2 matrices. Now I can add these 2 matrices, right? So see, 1 plus 4 is become 5, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, and 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So once your commands are correct, Scilab will never give you wrong answer. Actually, you need not to check the answer. Once you are sure, yes, my commands are correct, तो Scilab calculation में कुछ गलती नहीं करेगा, okay? That is how it is built because. So A minus B if I do now. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 2 minus 9 is minus 5. Sorry, 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Then 3 minus minus 6. So that becomes 3 plus 6 is 9. And 4 minus minus 9 becomes 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Can I multiply these two matrices? Can I
Yes, ma'am.
multiply? Yes, I can multiply because they are square matrices. Square matrices of the same order you can always multiply. Otherwise, what is the condition to multiply two matrices? Suppose I take another matrix, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is another matrix C. And if I try to do A plus C, will it do A plus C? What is the size of A? 2 cross 2. Size of C is 3 cross 3. Then it will say inconsistent row or column dimensions. It will not add A and C. Will it do B minus C? Yes, girls. होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. So addition और subtraction के लिए, whether they are rectangular or square matrices, their order must be same. Okay? Rectangular भी हो सकते हैं, square भी हो सकते हैं, their orders must be same. Then multiplication के लिए बताओ. अभी मेरे पास एक 2 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिक्स है, दूसरा एक मैट्रिक्स मैं ले रही हूं अभी. I will call this as D. Okay, D is equal to ans. जरा अनम्यूट हो जाओ सब लोग. All of you are there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Yes. So अभी मैंने 4 मैट्रिसेस लिए हैं. अभी A स्टार B हमने किया क्या? A स्टार B मल्टीप्लीकेशन नहीं ना? किया. A स्टार B किया. अभी मैं A स्टार C होगा क्या? नहीं होगा, बिकॉज A की ऑर्डर है 2 क्रॉस 2, C की ऑर्डर है 3 क्रॉस 3, राइट? अभी A और D का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा क्या बताओ? A की ऑर्डर है 2 क्रॉस 2, D की ऑर्डर है 2 क्रॉस 3. So number of columns of the first matrix same as number of rows of the second matrix, then only matrix multiplication is possible. Okay, so A क्रॉस D होगा. C क्रॉस D होगा क्या? C क्रॉस D, C की ऑर्डर है 3 क्रॉस 3 और D की ऑर्डर है 2 क्रॉस 3. तो C क्रॉस D नहीं होगा, C स्टार D नहीं होगा, बट D स्टार C होगा क्या? हो रहा है. देखो, D की ऑर्डर है 2 क्रॉस 3 और C की ऑर्डर है 3 क्रॉस 3. सो D के कॉलम्स है 3 और C की रोज है 3, दोनों इक्वल है, इसलिए मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है. ओके, सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू नीड टू चेक. देन ये सिंपल अलजेब्रा होगा मैट्रिक्स का. एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन. देयर इज नो डिविजन डिफाइंड इन this thing, but inverse is defined, and for inverse you need to find determinant. Suppose determinant of C में ले रही हो. C मैट्रिक्स क्या है मेरा? देखो, C को रिकॉल करती हूं मैं. What is my C मैट्रिक्स? This is my C मैट्रिक्स. इसका मुझे डिटर्मिनेंट ढूंढना है अगर, तो डिटर्मिनेंट की कमांड क्या है? DET. determinant of C. Okay, now it is showing me some weird answer. What is determinant of this matrix? Anyone knows? Yes, girls. What is determinant of this matrix? Yes, anyone can answer. इसका डिटर्मिनेंट बताओ कितना है, मैन्युअली करके देखो जरा फटाफट. ओके, मीटिंग 5 मिनट्स में एंड होगी. यू विल रीजॉइन ओके टू द सेम रूम नंबर.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलो. व्हाट इज डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स क्विकली?
0.
0. But Scilab is not showing 0 answer directly, okay? Because Scilab does scientific calculations and therefore it does not show you 0 answer. It will show you something into 10 raised to minus 16. This means minus 9.51 d minus 16 का मतलब है into 10 raised to minus 16. मतलब point के बाद 15 बार 0 आएगा. 15 times 0 will be there and then that 951 digits will appear. So that is almost 0. So if you clean the this answer, it will show you identical 0 value. Okay, so determinant की command है DET. Now once you understand that determinant is 0, inverse does not exist, right? Inverse of this matrix does not exist. Yes, so दूसरा मैट्रिक्स हमारा A जो था A, उसका डिटर्मिनेंट ढूंढते हैं. डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A is -2. 1 2 3 4 it was. 1 2 3 4 मतलब 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3. So 4 minus 6 is -2. Now this determinant value is non-zero. Therefore inverse of A must exist. And inverse के लिए क्या है command? INV of A. So this is the inverse of A. I told you that no need to check whether this answer is correct or not. But still, if you want, you can check A star. Now latest is ans. So A star A inverse क्या आना चाहिए रे? A star A inverse क्या आना चाहिए? और A into A inverse क्या आना चाहिए?
Identity matrix.
Identity matrix. देखो आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, 1 0 0 1. When I cleaned it. Now girls, I think the meeting will get over. So you rejoin immediately, okay? We will continue with the commands. The whole revision I am going to take today and my lecture will be there till 2:30, okay? So, let me just... कितने मिनट्स दिख रहे रे? एक मिनट मैं स्क्रीनशॉट लेती हूँ. There are 21 girls, including me. There are 22 participants. 05/08/2020. Practical 1. Work from home. Yes, so I am closing the meeting, okay? I am ending the meeting. You join again.